Hello students. Now after understanding the pigments, that is chlorophyll and different types of other pigments also, let us understand the process they do for synthesis of food material. That process in green plants is called as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Right? Now, let's break these two words. Photo. The photo word has come from photon. What is photon? These are basically energy particles which are coming from the sun to the earth. Collectively, they are called as photon or quantum also. So, the photo word means light. Energy particles coming from the sun, these are called photons. And synthesis means manufacturing. Synthesis means manufacturing. So in totality, photons are synthesized or manufactured into food energy or chemical energy. That is the definition of the photosynthesis. Let's write the definition. Photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Already we have written, that is conversion of light energy into chemical or food energy. Right? When I say already we have discussed, it means we have discussed in our previous videos. So these are in sequence. I am making the videos. Go through one by one so that you can finish all of the lesson. Okay. So this is photosynthesis. Now for understanding photosynthesis, we have to understand organic molecules. Organic molecules. Organic molecules. What do you mean by that? There are in every organism. Organism means living organism, plants or animals. There are certain organic molecules which actually stores the energy, and that the name of these molecules must be first understood and then should be remembered also. First one is ADP. This is adenosine diphosphate. Adenosine diphosphate. Adenosine diphosphate. The second one is ATP, adenosine triphosphate. What is the difference? See, adenosine, di means two, phosphate. These organic molecules have two phosphate, and these organic molecules have triphosphate, means three phosphate. Correct? Remember that. Then another name is NADP. These are abbreviated forms. Full form should be known. This is nicotinamide, dinucleotide, nicotinamide. I forgot to say A. Let's write adenosine. Nicotinamide, adenosine, A for adenosine, nico, and for nicotinamide, A for adenosine, and D for dinucleotide, and P for phosphate. So first remember these all terms. Another term is RUBP. What is this RUBP? It's basically enzyme. It is ribulose biphosphate. Ribulose biphosphate. So before you go into the process of photosynthesis, you should remember these, all the abbreviations, okay, by heart. So spend some time to remember, and by heart it should go into your blood. Then you will understand the process of photosynthesis. Let's go for photosynthesis, okay? Spend time with these abbreviations and full forms. Okay, I'm removing this so that we can have a space to go through the learning. Now photosynthesis. Photosynthesis can be differentiated into two kind of reactions. One is the light reaction light reaction. It is also called as light dependent reaction. Light dependent reaction. Why I am saying it is light dependent reaction? Because it can occur only in the presence of light, so it is called as light reaction or light dependent reaction. It is also called as, if you want to remember, Hill's reaction. Okay, so this reaction will occur only in the presence of light. The second one is commonly called as a dark reaction. Dark reaction. It also can be called as light independent reaction. Light independent reaction. Okay. It's also called as biosynthesis reaction. Biosynthesis reaction. Why it is called? We will come to this point afterwards. Biosynthesis reaction. Okay. So photosynthesis actually is not a simple reaction. Usually it is written in the books. It is basically a collective chemical reactions which occur in the plants to synthesize the chemical or food energy from the sun's energy. So for that, first preparation is required. What is the preparation that occurs in the light reaction? In the light reaction, basically energy molecules are being developed. Energy molecules क्यों चाहिए? ताकि biosynthesis कुछ manufacture किया जा सके. We'll understand what we are manufacturing. But first, light reaction. Light reaction में क्या हो रहा है? Let us understand. First of all, ADP already मैं इसकी abbreviated form दे चुका हूँ. That is adenosine diphosphate combines inorganic phosphorus. Phosphorus inorganic means पौधे जमीन से ले लेते हैं, inorganic है ये. Plus energy, it forms ATP, adenosine triphosphate. I am not writing here, already we have written it. So you must take care when you write this reaction, you write their full forms also. Second reaction is basically the water which is available in the plants, photon which are coming from the sun's light. These are also called as quantum or energy particles coming from the sun. This water which is available in the plants, when the photons strike on this water, it is split up into hydrogen and oxygen. This oxygen is liberated in this reaction into the atmosphere. So during photosynthesis, a byproduct oxygen is also formed, which is liberated in the atmosphere. And this way, plants help us to maintain oxygen for all living organisms. Right? This reaction is a very important reaction. Now oxygen is delivered into the atmosphere, but hydrogen is kept by the plants. This reaction is called as photolysis. Photo means light, lysis means तोड़ना, टूटना, breaking. So light break कर रही है water को into hydrogen and oxygen. Oxygen is delivered into the atmosphere. Hydrogen is kept. Why hydrogen is kept? Let's understand. NADP. Third reaction is NADP. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. In this reaction, another hydrogen which is produced during photolysis. Hydrogen is taken with energy to reduce NADP. That's called NADPH. Why I'm saying reduce? Whenever the hydrogen is being added, it is called reduction reaction. So it is reduced NADP. But it is the organic molecules. 1 NADPH is equal to 3 ATP. So means 3 ATP के बराबर है, ये भी एनर्जी मॉलिक्यूल है. So energy molecule पहला तैयार हुआ ATP, दूसरा तैयार हुआ NADP. You have to remember this. हालांकि इसमें Calvin cycle involved होता है. For this reaction, for this particular class, Calvin cycle is not required. That will be required in the 11th class. So let's come over here. So now in this light reaction, what happens? Energy molecules are being prepared. Now this is biosynthesis or dark reaction. Let's take care of this also. Now for this dark reaction or preparation of the food, biosynthesis, bio में तो बायोलॉजी की सिंथेसिस हो रही है, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हो रही है, उसके लिए खाना चाहिए तो खाना बनाया जा रहा है. That's why biosynthesis reaction लिखा गया. इसके लिए हमें raw material चाहिए होगा. What is the raw material for photosynthesis? The raw material for photosynthesis is raw material for photosynthesis is carbon dioxide and water. This is a 1 mark question also which is being asked. Photolysis is also called as 1 mark question. The raw material for photosynthesis is carbon dioxide and water, which is required for photosynthesis. So what is happening in the dark reaction? Let's write over here. Dark reaction. We can call it as light independent reaction. We can call it as a biosynthesis reaction also. Okay. So in this reaction, RuBP already हम लिख चुके हैं, राइबोलोज बाइफॉस्फेट. RuBP ये एंजाइम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को कहां से कलेक्ट करता है? एटमॉस्फेयर से कैप्चर करता है. Collects the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Water is already available, which is taken by the roots from the xylem to the plants. Then what happens? This energy molecule ATP plus NADPH, these energy molecules also come together and convert this carbon dioxide and water into glucose, C6H12O6. Okay, so this is glucose which is being prepared. Along with that oxygen. देखिए इस बात को समझिएगा, जब हम ग्लूकोज को बना रहे हैं तो अल्टीमेटली ग्लूकोज ने प्लांट्स में स्टोर हो जाना है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टार्च, और स्टार्च को टेस्ट किया जा सकता है बाय आयोडीन एंड पोटेशियम आयोडाइड सोल्यूशन से. अगर डालेंगे तो वो डार्क ब्लू कलर का हो जाएगा. वो एरिया जो डार्क ब्लू कलर का हो जाएगा प्लांट्स के लीव्स में, वहां पर स्टार्च स्टोर्ड है. तो ग्लूकोज स्टोर्ड एज ए स्टार्च. एक क्वेश्चन आता है कि फूड मटेरियल किस फॉर्म में स्टोर होता है प्लांट्स में? प्लांट्स में स्टार्च की फॉर्म में और एनिमल्स में ग्लाइकोजन की फॉर्म में स्टोर होता है. रिमेंबर दैट. सो दिस इज C6H12O6. अल्टीमेटली इट विल बिकम स्टार्च. देन दिस ATP loses its energy to again become ADP. NADPH again loses its energy to become NADP. It loses its hydrogen. Then RuBP, it never take part in the reaction. Again it's been formed for the next reaction. So in this reaction what happens? The glucose, or you can say the food material, is being prepared. Because the food material is prepared, that is why it is called as a biosynthesis reaction. Correct? In NCERT we can see this whole of the photosynthesis reaction is given in a very simple term, that is six molecules of carbon dioxide, 12 molecules of water. This combined in the presence of light and chlorophyll, right? Chlorophyll captures light and it is converted into C6H12OC, glucose plus 6O2 oxygen is related. This is a equation which is written in NCERT, but this is not enough for the 10th class examination. You have to go through all the biochemical reaction which is occurring inside the plants for photosynthesis. I hope you must have understood. Okay, if any problem there, you can write it to me in the column design. Okay, take care. Thank you very, very much.